and then the next one. I'm going to move it here, get a better angle.
I got it.
Got it. All right, this is front tail light. Tried it on that one, and it came out pretty good. So I will show you on this one that we're going to do now. Same, actually, vinegar, baking soda, and just rub it in. Gotta have a little paste there. Don't be afraid to use paste. It won't hurt anything. Just baking soda. I'm just going back and forth, trying to get the nooks and crannies, which is a little hard. I find out while you're doing this, it'll start feeling smoother. That knows you're knocking off that top layer of gunk or car wash residue or whatever it is. The sunlight. So I'm turning this from an opaque front tail light lens to a shiny looking almost glass when we are done. If you have one that's really bad, you're going to have to do this quite a few times probably. But mine seemed bad to me, but it's coming off very easily. You can hear that extra noise there when I hit the little letters that are built into it. But the smooth parts, nothing. Nice and smooth already. A little hard to get in the corners, but you can work at it. One more time, just to make sure so I don't have to do it again. Oh, by the way, my company is called Auto and Truck Care out of Las Vegas, which I don't own anymore. I closed it and moved to Colorado. So this is just a hobby now. All right, that's good for that. Now, spray bottle. That'll work. Paper towel. That'll work. Thank you, my friend Troy, my cameraman. Get all the gunk and residue off. Oh, if you want to see inside what came off, that's what came off. That brown looking gunk. Get those nooks and crannies clean. Going to put a coat of wax on it. Blue, an extra right there. As you can see, I'm still just using car wax. I haven't got the UV protection stuff yet, but it's on its way, which I will put on it. Find a clean spot. This will help protect it a little, and give it a little extra luster. It's not a necessity. But this is also a cleaner wax, so I think that kind of helps a little bit on its own also. Good coat on there, rub it in pretty good. Let that dry for a couple seconds. Doesn't take too long because it's such a small little area. And we get the drying one. Alright. Let me get the buffer one, the microfiber. These things are great for getting wax off of cars. I highly recommend getting a couple of these guys. And there we have it. The before and after. I am completely impressed.